Hello everybody, welcome back to the next video in this Tengu mission series. We're running the Worlds Collide mission today, and this is a level 4 mission. Recommended ships are usually the Golem or the Varga in this, but we're going to use the Tengu. You can use the Tengu if you follow the guide with regards to the Garistas group. We're going to open the fitting window here. So in this we're doing almost 1000 DPS. I'm going to run another video on how to fit this out properly and all the different variations and things like that. But on this one, so we have a cap stable rep running at 248 and Sagistan B type with 2 invulnerability fields, or now called multi-spectrum hardeners. If we simulate this out with these active hardeners, 43 damage resistance to EM, well, the biggies that we're looking at are the 75% kinetic and thermal damage. Now in the Worlds Collide mission there is some quite high damage output. If you do it incorrectly you can aggro the whole room, which gets quite interesting. So with the cap battery we use the large abyssal. It's actually a Thucker cap battery, which we've done some work on that using the Travalgian mods. So with that we get a little bit of a boost to some warfare and capacitor bonuses just there. Same again on the bottom, we've got a couple of abyssal ballistic control missiles, Caldari Navy mods, and just one Tech 2. And on the top we've got 6 heavy assault missile launchers. Okay, so I'll see you in the next part. Okay, so in this mission you have 2 options. You have 2 gates. You've got the Garistas base gate and the Serpentis base gate. Now to blitz this mission you can get the Zabroki hacker card. I'll do another video on that and how to achieve that. But basically if you use this hacker card you can activate the gates without clearing the spawns. If you don't have the hacker card you'll have to clear both spawns to activate the gates. So here we go. So as I said before, we're going to go for the Garistas base mission. This is due to Garistas having the more suitability for the Tengu. So as you warp in the first zone, we're going to run through this really quickly. You'll get aggro on the group 1. If you attack group 1, which is the automatic aggro, you will not aggro the full room. So clear these off really quickly, or as quickly as you can. In the Worlds Collide mission with the Tengu, and you don't have a micro warp drive on this fit, you need to sort of clear them as fast as possible once you hit aggression. The reason for that is that once you hit aggression they start burning away from the beacon, and if they go too far then it can take you quite a long time to burn them down, and if you're interested in this per hour and things like that, it will slow you down. That being said, you can fit a micro warp drive. It won't, well, there is a cap stable version, but for this mission, as you can see, the amount of damage that's coming in, and you're barely hitting anywhere in your shield. So see how we go. Okay, so now group 1's down, we go head to group 2. The extinguisher and infiltrator spawns. These are now a little bit far away and you can start pre-locking them. If you get on it fast enough you can load up the javelin missiles with the precision script loaded, and you can burn them down a bit faster. Once you get in range, just orbit the tower at sort of 1000 to 500 and you'll always end up in range. If you find yourself out of range, you can always apply the javelin missiles on to get the DPS in. What I do is when I hit the frigates, I will load a precision script and use javelin, because the explosion radius is quite lower for the javelin missiles as opposed to the ranged missiles. Now a little bit of a trick: if the frigates are quite a long way, as you can see here, if you apply the damage on the javelins with the precision script, as they burn towards you, as they're not here, they're orbiting, but if they burn towards you, the explosion radius becomes quite a bigger factor and you'll apply more damage straight away. Once they get the orbit in on you, you'll apply less damage and get them down slower. But the key is to get the frigates down so you can get clear of weapon scrams. Okay, so now on to the last room. A little bit of a neat trick in here for the blitz. So when you start moving in this room, 3 battleships and 3 battle cruisers will start targeting you and start applying damage. Get moving, get these down. Once you actually kill the 3 battle cruisers and 3 battleships, then you can loot the Heron cargo wreck, or the cargo container. Once you have that, then the mission's done. Collect the loot and job's a good one. In this room there is some jamming that goes on, so what I do is try and concentrate on those jamming ships, which are the extinguishers, the eliminators, and also the murderers, ascribers, silencers and killers. Okay, so once you've got those, you're going to eliminate the jams. There is quite a bit of damage in this room, mainly because of how close you are, but because of the Tengu with the low signature radius and the movement of speed of the Tengu, then you can apply the damage, and the 1000 DPS comes in really handy here. So as you see there, we've got the loot, and then that's the mission done. There are a couple of ships left. You can take them down if you want to. You can also activate the gate if need be, and then you can head back to the area, but we won't do that, we'll just complete the mission. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching the video. Please leave a comment in the description. Any constructive criticism always taken. Always hit that like and that subscribe button, that'd be awesome, and keep an eye out for the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.